Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error, connection reset. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you have to do just click here and then go to view network connections. If you can't find it, just type here view network connections and you will find it. Then right click on it, go to properties, and after that once you're here just click protocol internet version 4 and go to properties and then go to use DNS server addresses. Type here 8888844 and then click here and click OK. Now OK again. After that close this one and type here Windows update settings. Once you're here, just make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and that's it. And check for updates. If you can find any other update, just install it. And don't forget to like. And that's it. Now just try to open Minecraft, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.